everyone, it's Kim from KimPowerStyle.com. I'm showing you today our empty house tour. We just bought this new home and I just got the keys, and so this is my first time seeing it without any furniture in it because it was a model home. And yeah, I was looking forward to the furniture being gone so I can really get a good idea of what it looks like. So join me on this tour. So this is the front door. You come in. I just threw my stuff down there. This is my first time with a vlogging camera, so please bear with me. Yeah, first time using it. Anyways, we bought this house, oh gosh, it's been a few months ago, but it was a model home, so we've had to wait for them to finish up their modeling with it. So yeah, this is the foyer. Okay, sorry, I'm going to do that slow so I don't make you dizzy. This is closet. I can't really find the light. But yeah, this house has lots of storage and space. Here is the powder room. It's a fairly big powder room, actually. It's right at the front of the house. Here's the toilet. Hi. So yeah, we just got some tiles out here, but then we walk into the home. On the left, you'll see the stairs. The stairs are carpeted, but yeah, I'm not crazy about that, but it's going to have to work for us for now. And then to the left of when you first come in is the laundry room. The laundry room, I don't know if you've ever looked at my blog, KimPowerStyle.com, you will see my bedroom. In there, you will see that this laundry room is the same size as my old bedroom was. So yeah, I'm dubbing this the laundry room / pantry / what was the other slash? Gosh, I can't even remember. Anyways. And then this is the door that goes to the garage. Oh yeah, the other slash was mudroom. So it's going to be a number of different rooms. One of the things that really sold us on this house were the floors. I love the white oak. Simply love them. This door to the left is to the basement. We are having a contractor come in a couple of weeks and they'll be finishing the basement. So we'll have like an extra 1,000 square feet of room down there. So when you come out, this is what you see. This is the kitchen. It has lots of cupboard space, which we need. And it's got a 9-foot island. I might be adding some bulk to this. Right now it's got the big top, but this bottom doesn't look very substantial. So I might add a bit more to it. Anyways, those are projects I'll let you in on as they come. I love the design. I love a good subway tile, but I'm not crazy about the color. It is, as someone mentioned, an oatmeal color, which if you have oatmeal or you love oatmeal colors, that's fine. It's just not my style. So I don't know about changing that. We might change it. We'll see. We've got a window. I'm going to put a new light fixture up there. I'm already looking into new light fixtures for here. If you have those and you like them, that's great. I just wanted something a little different. Let's brighten this up a bit. And yeah, so there's the island. I'm so happy that we have this big island. I'm glad that there's no sink in there, just because I love it or as a buffet. It's like when the family comes over, we can just spread the food out here and yeah. And there's the stairways. So as we go out here, it's all open concept. This is the dining room. I've already got a new light fixture. It's a black metal. Yeah, I'll show it. As soon as we put it up and do some changes in here, I'll do another video. So this room is so bright. This is the living room here. And a TV will be going up there. On the sides we have some bookshelves. Right now they're glass, and I think I'm going to be changing these to wood. And these windows. I love these windows. They've come with these custom blinds. I'm not crazy about them, but it is expensive to do custom. So they might be staying for a while, if not forever. This is the backyard. We'll have a fence. Our yard is not going to be really big, which we're fine because I'm not going to have time to deal with the big yard. And over there, you can't really tell, but it's the Kingston, a bit of the Kingston skyline over there. So I'm going to bring you upstairs. And here we are on the first landing. And from here, you can see everything. Can't wait to get that light switched out. So upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms. So here is the first bedroom to the left. And there's just a wall of closets in here. Let's see. And I think you can see right down. Yeah. So here is the second bedroom. So this is basically the same size as the last one. This one just has a walk-in closet, which is a good size for the size of the room. There is the linen closet. And this is, I guess, the main upstairs bathroom. And here is the master bedroom. It's a door and a half. And we've got the same floor to ceiling windows as we do downstairs. And we've got double doors leading to a really big and spacious walk-in closet. And here is the master bath, which I love. Love this tub. And these windows. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see I posted a vintage rug. And I think this is where we're going to put it. So right behind me is the shower. Some nice gray glass tiles in there. And then here we have, I guess you could call it the water closet, with a nice window. There's also more storage in here. Lots of storage in this home. Love it. And this bathtub, oh my goodness. Can't wait to take a bath in it. And we have a chandelier all ready to go up there. And I think we've got another chandelier from there. I'm not sure. And we're looking for a nice chandelier for here too. So this is the main landing. And from here you can see everything. And we still need to get some island chairs. I can't even think of the word right now, but we need some bar stools or something for here. Anyways, that is my tour. I'd show you the basement, but there's literally nothing down there. It needs to be refinished and walls put in. So don't forget to subscribe, because I'm going to be sharing lots of things with you, lots of projects, lots of DIY. Yeah. So thank you again.